Split it up! Ooh.
Oh,
What are we doing here? Is that bamboo?
it's a bamboo.
It's a bamboo.
For what?
What are they doing to the bamboo? The poor bamboo!
Oh!
Ah!
It's wow! I thought it's for creating electricity, but it's even better.
Self-rotating. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, what are we doing here?
Some.
She's trying to bring the trees together. She's a tree lover. Yeah, hug.
Hug them.
Now kiss.
Do it. Aggression.
A little aggressive tree lover, yeah.
Yeah. So many.
Oh, okay, so it's like a hammock?
I think so.
Interesting.
It's a hammock.
This is a whole new kind of tree house.
Out of Strange film.
This is like a human spider. She's making a web. Spider Woman! We found her!
Film woman.
Yeah, film lady. We're making. It looks like it's gonna be a spear. You ever make spears when you were a kid, like by sharpening pieces of wood?
Yeah, of course.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Ooh, but it's not a spear. It is a torch.
Torch. Yeah, for some means.
Pretty cool. Exploring time. Oh no. Okay. Why do you lay it out like that? Oh, okay. Could make good bait.
Okay. Yeah.
It's like irony because fish, usually are eaten by birds. Now fish get a little payback.
Exactly. Wow. Waste of one chicken for how many fish? Okay.
If you can reuse it all the time, it's probably okay.
Okay.
You can probably make your meat back.
You're right. Actually, create the smell of chicken and all this stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. I guess could work. Will we test it?
No. We are fish lovers.
Yeah. It's a bag.
Oh, it's a bag?
Yeah.
That is, how?
Backpack.
Ah, that looks uncomfortable.
No?
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Oh,
Collect the water, because I'm thirsty.
Oh.
But apparently, I've heard rainwater isn't that great to drink.
No?
No.
Why?
I heard that, it goes through, some pollution or something when it evaporates up into the air and then it collects, some gross stuff and then it comes back down. I'm not sure, though. A lot of people, maybe that's just a rumor. A theory.
Maybe, because
A game theory!
Oh.
What do you think?
No, I mean, I saw a lot of videos, a lot of opinions that it's fine to use the rainwater for drinking. I mean, it's
Maybe
clean.
companies just don't want us to know,
It's companies
so that they can sell us their
the
water.
cloud companies.
Cloud companies. No, I'm talking about water companies.
Or maybe they just want to say the water companies.
Ooh, that's pretty good. And we got a selfie lady.
Okay, survival hacks.
What are we gonna do? Survival hacks.
Yeah.
Try to survive her after she comes out of the water.
For your weird acting.
Yeah.
Is
Warm
it
and
warm?
well. No, I
Is
don't
it?
think you're.
Is
I really
it?
don't think you are warm after that.
No,
You're wrong.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have some nice little kindling fire starter stuff. Burns for 5 hours.
Okay. Like,
Nice.
We
If it works,
can
it works.
only, Yeah.
We can only imagine,
believe- Yeah.
because we're not going to test it for 5 hours.
Yeah. I mean, it's not worth it.
No.
It's not worth
Unless this video gets 20 million likes. If it gets 20 million likes, we'll do it. Remember to like it.
We'll do it.
20 million likes
Yeah.
all day, baby. I think our maximum likes is something like 200,000. So 20 million likes, baby.
And we'll do this.
Yeah. We'll do
weird
anything.
hack.
Anything.
No, not anything.
Anything.
No.
Okay.
Kinda
Maybe.
fine. Yes. Yeah. Okay.
All right. Why not? Before?
Before.
After?
Yeah.
I don't know why you care about looking clean in the, you know, when you're surviving.
Too
But
cold. Too cold.
too cold?
So you warm up some stone, some rocks, and now look at her. She just without anything.
Okay, so I'm poking some holes in the bottom of our cup.
And,
Hot water?
Oh, I know what is this.
Ah, it's a strainer.
This is smart.
Oh, I love that. Yeah, that's awesome.
Wow.
Very smart. What a smart lady.
Yeah. Oh, she found some. Okay, recycling.
Cap it up.
Oh, it's.
I mean, I do this all the time. Yeah, just consolidate
Yeah.
your space when you're throwing things away.
Yeah.
It's good for the
If you-
environment and good for you.
Yes. If you didn't know,
Now you know.
now you know.
Banana peels underground for what?
Yeah. Because.
Oh, to plant.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. City girl goes to the woods for the first time. Yeah, not worth it. Whatever this craft is turning into, it's just not worth that. Definitely not worth that. No. Don't cut your hair off to fix your shoes. It's not a good thing. Okay. Fires keep going out in windy weather. What do we do about it? Get some tape. All right. I guess that works better. Okay. Pheromone trails to keep ants away from you, I guess. Nice. Ah. Okay. This is how to be a happy couple in the wilderness, essentially. Okay, so you can divide up your food in one pot in the wilderness. Okay, I feel like that doesn't necessarily have to be a wilderness hack, but there we go. We're doing it in the woods, so it's a wilderness hack. Nice, and now everybody gets to eat what they want to eat. That's good. We got a vegan girl and a carnivore boy. That's not gonna last very long, I suspect. Is it that easy to catch fish?
Hot.
Actually nice.
That looks insane. He must have spent ages doing that.
I want to see how he made that.
Holy
What's he
crap.
making now?
I actually would love to see how he made that hot.
Okay, what is this?
Right.
Is he tanning some?
Alright.
Oh, he's getting the bark off.
That is insane. I've never seen that before.
Is it 5 feet grass? What is the location?
That is
I never knew about this
amazing.
location
Me neither.
while working
Look
there.
at that.
This is actually.
It's like a
you know,
bowstring.
Yeah.
It's called
Yeah.
a bowstring
all from
process.
inside a
but,
warehouse.
But to actually carve. What?
Oh, why do you do that? That
So
makes
it
me
doesn't get
uncomfortable.
stuck.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because
Right.
you know it gets stuck. But here, you have a second person. And when you don't have a second person, it's him, both of them.
It's
Oh, it's him.
Yeah.
Okay, that's.
Yeah, it's just
Or they're
some
twins.
Is it
clever
twins?
montage, or they're evil twins. Yes.
Evil twins. Nice.
Another shield. Yes.
Yes! Shield!
more shields.
Don't be a clock.
So that's called an ogre from the Germans, from the Viking times.
An ogre.
Yeah.
Ogre?
And,
Like an ogre.
Look at the ogre. Resin.
Okay.
It's like it's
Okay.
it's,
It's, natural resin.
natural
from the
glue.
wild.
Natural
Yeah.
glue.
Okay.
Life's glue.
Look.
All right, nice little table.
Okay,
oh,
weird-
he's making a chair.
Weird shield. Alright.
Making a chair
It's
again.
not a shield at all.
This is a strange shield.
But this thing is cool, right? When you don't have
The-
power
it-
tools, you just put a wooden piece through and you use it as an actual drill.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Good stuff.
wow.
Okay. What?
It's
Right.
just
Why
He's
the
gonna
plastic
probably
bottle?
Because he's
For
probably
your
gonna get
bag.
cordage out of it.
Cordage.
Yeah, there we go. See?
Ah, cordage.
Yeah.
That's neat. I like that.
Neat.
I like that gadget. I want that.
Yeah, so we could make that gadget, just like 2 pieces of wood with a blade.
With the blade.
Okay.
But where can you find the blade in the forest?
True. Pencil sharpener.
Blade. We can get them from Blade Hogs.
Or blade from Marvel.
Ah, we can get them from Blade from Marvel.
Yes. What was that guy? Other guy? Snipes? Oh,
Yeah,
that was
yeah.
Wesley
Wesley-
Snipes. No,
Wesley.
wait, what was his? Whatever. Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
All right, good stuff. He's got a chair. So much work for just this little chair.
There's a lot of danger here.
Sure,
Everything-
it's important thing.
It's true. I guess it is.
If you make things out of wood, then they can get, they can light on fire. So.